Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant garden nestled between rolling hills, a group of botanical flowers bloomed in harmony. Each flower possessed its unique beauty and personality, and together, they created a kaleidoscope of colors and fragrances that enchanted all who encountered them. At the heart of the garden stood a majestic rose, its velvety petals exuding an intoxicating scent. The rose was known for its elegance and grace, admired by all the other flowers. It served as a symbol of love and passion, capturing the attention of bees and butterflies that danced around its blossoms. Next to the rose, a delicate lily swayed gently in the breeze. Its pristine white petals symbolized purity and innocence, captivating the hearts of those who sought solace in its presence. The lily shared its wisdom with the other flowers, teaching them the importance of grace and inner strength. Nearby, a group of sunflowers towered above the rest, their golden faces turned toward the sun. They were a symbol of joy and optimism, spreading warmth and cheer to all who beheld their radiant beauty. The sunflowers taught the other flowers to seek light even in the darkest of times, reminding them that resilience and hope could overcome any adversity. Among the vibrant petals, a mischievous daisy giggled and played. It danced in the meadows, attracting the attention of children who would pluck its petals, saying, he loves me not." The daisy represented innocence and simplicity, reminding everyone to embrace the joy found in the small things and to appreciate the beauty in every moment. At the edge of the garden, a majestic orchid bloomed, its exotic allure captivating all who gazed upon it. The orchid held an air of mystery, with its intricate patterns and delicate structure. It symbolized rare beauty and elegance, reminding the other flowers that being unique was something to be celebrated. As the seasons changed, the garden transformed with the passing of time. Each flower took its turn in the spotlight, blooming and fading, only to be replaced by another. The botanical flowers taught one another the importance of embracing change, for it brought new beginnings and fresh opportunities. Together, the botanical flowers thrived in their diverse beauty, united by the universal language of nature. They reminded the world of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of celebrating the extraordinary variety found in the botanical realm. And so, in that magical garden, the botanical flowers continued to bloom, sharing their stories, colors, and fragrances with all who took a moment to appreciate the wonders of nature. They whispered messages of love, hope, and resilience, reminding humanity of the beauty that could be found in even the smallest petal. And as the sun set over the garden, casting a golden glow upon the botanical flowers, their collective beauty and wisdom became a timeless tale that would be passed down through generations, forever inspiring those who sought solace and inspiration in the enchanting world of botanical flowers.